Hey everyone, this is Joe coming here from Growing to the City, and guess what? We've got Dustin Bones pulling up to the Hydro store.
You already know what it is.
Check it out, man.
Stand up, man.
Check
617 Angels. You know, I'm out on my little toy, man, about to go to the green zone.
Check
Get
this
some
out.
info, hang out with my dude, JD. You already know what it is, man.
Oh,
City
man.
grown. You already know what it is.
Check it out, man. That is like, oh man, I wish I had one.
You see how it matches with the bag and the whole nine.
Oh,
and the
right.
Yeah, we killing it.
It's all that, and that thing
You see
boogie.
the tour coming. Tour date's being announced soon, so you already understand. Nationwide tour, Wu-Tang 25th anniversary tour. Dustin Bones, Big Nate All-Star, Sun Soul, Hayes, and Twin.
You heard it here. You heard it first.
Holla, holla.
We're going in the store. Joey C coming in. Let's come in. Hey,
Look at this
everybody.
guy right here.
Check it out.
Joey D,
Joe
what up?
baby. Hey Joe, I'm back at the grocery store, my favorite place here. I heard you guys were unboxing.
Yeah, how you doing? Yeah.
Dustin
You wanna
Bones,
check out
my man.
the,
Always coming at the
Yeah.
right time when the new toys come.
Dustin, go check this out, man. They're unboxing, and we're here to see it live. Look at this. They got pallets of stuff everywhere. All right, the word's on the street. You guys got some new technology rolling. Oh, man, I heard the street's buzzing. You got some new tech for the growers. This is like a must-have.
All automated.
We got
high-tech
Dustin
here.
Bones, and we got Joey C, the owner here, checking it out.
Heavy duty
We
clamps.
got we got got
AC
the ring.
Infinity fan.
Don't use these on your neck. It's hard to get these off.
Yeah, don't be doing that.
I've done the research.
Wow, this is really light.
What do we got here? What is it?
It's the let me. This is the Cloudline
looking.
series from AC Infinity.
How light that is.
Has a built-in thermostat, humidistat, and so this is going to deliver a sleek
Nice.
environmental controlling
Very,
solution.
very nice.
So this is an inline fan for your grow room, your tent, whatever it might be, but it's inline. So Roland, show me this baby.
This thing is light. I'm just staring at it. I can't understand how light it is. It really is light.
Wow.
Nice level playing field, so you can make sure you mount it nice and
So this is a low voltage because
Very low
I can see a
voltage.
converter there. So it converts to low
AC
voltage.
Converts. It has a gauge that you can set humidity and temperature.
All right, so this one is the one with the speed control, right here.
So this has a speed control.
Yes, sir. So that's that one.
So you have is that a remote? That's a Bluetooth or wireless?
This has got like 6 or 7 different speed control settings. So you're just gonna click that bad boy like that, and
So now what are the benefits of this new high-tech fan? I like the look of it. It's beautiful.
Besides
it's
it being
lightweight.
quiet, besides it being able to transfer air easily, besides it being able to control humidity, besides it being able to be hung quietly, the rest of the units that come with the Affinity system here, they have a very nice high-end ducting system that we're going to show you in a second as well. That's form-fitting to areas, so you don't have to have that overhanging all over the place. Everything kind of form-fits to the unit itself. And
Now,
we're
is that
gonna
a-
power this puppy on? We're going to power one of these guys on here in a second.
Yeah, I'd love to hear.
We're
Now
gonna
it's a
see what
6-inch
how
fan right
quiet
there,
we are.
right?
Yeah. This one is a 6-inch. That is correct.
Okay.
We're going to power it on. We're going to see how everything's our first unboxing, so we're going to see how nice and quiet it is. We'll see how everybody likes it.
Now, so for all you download growers, the dudes that are putting their stuff on the Batman level, and you got nosy landlords, stuff like this is key for a nice crop. To keep that nosy neighbor out your spot and control that odor and that airflow. You gotta have an airflow player, or shit just don't work right.
It's all about the flow.
Exactly.
Oh, look at that. That is moving some serious air, isn't it?
Feel that breeze?
Right here. And also this.
okay, so let's power off the fan real quick.
Sure.
Plug that bad boy in.
Then
So
we're
this
gonna
is
plug
the
fan
controller?
speed controller into it.
Okay.
For the controller, right? Okay,
This
okay.
cord has got to be 20 feet long. I don't
Yeah,
know.
very long, 15, 20 feet long.
That's always a need, so you don't have to
Ready?
use the
Yep.
extension cord.
Powering it on.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
High-tech light color here.
Dig the colors,
Oh, you
man.
couldn't even
Dig
hear
the
that,
colors, man.
Yeah.
Full
Get out of
pass.
here. Get out of here. That's amazing.
Full blast. Off.
Oh, this thing's a transformer.
Single.
Now look at that. Wow. My landlord would never know I was growing nothing in my house.
It's all
And I got
about
a nosy ass landlord.
the stealth.
Actually, shout out to my landlord. He's pretty cool. It's the nosy neighbor that raps to the landlord that is the problem.
It'll make everybody
Hope
happy
you
all
fall
around.
down the stairs and your cat gets rickets.
Now, what about humidity and temperature controlling? Do I need a separate device for that, or is?
They do create a separate device from that.
Sure, yes. You would plug that into your kind of standard go-to.
So you would plug it into
thermostat,
this.
humidistat.
Oh, so this humidistat thermostat would control the temperature, humidity. It would kick the fan on. Listen to that. It's super quiet.
Now, this is the lighter version to this one.
So this has this built into it.
Oh, wait a minute. So wait a minute. Tell me more.
All right.
Tell me more.
So this has the speed control built in. This model, they also have it for all the sizes, has the thermostat and humidistat built in. So we'll get rigged up and
So you wouldn't need the second device.
don't need that second device.
So this device in your store, because I mean, Joe, your prices are like Amazon or better. I've noticed. So I'm super excited about that. So on this Saturn 4, what's the price on that, Roland?
That one's only $99.95.
Okay, it's only $99.95. And then what is the cost of the fan? Because I would need two, but if I have that one, I have it all built in, right?
So we had a new
So this is a self-contained, it's got its own controller built in, and super quiet, so I can have a.
So Joe, this size fan sells for $70 in the store, and you couple it with this. So
Right.
for about $170, you're going to get the combination that now with the AC Infinity you get for $115.
So wait a minute, for only $115, it's everything I need. So instead of spending $170 for $115, I can get
All
the
that
same
control.
result.
Less than the
What-
price of a zip. The whole fan.
My boy Dusty Bones. It's like it's all about the zip.
It's all about those prices.
It's the zip, and I hear the street prices are going up lately.
Yeah, the dispensaries are trying to hurt the game. Fear not, they will drop. Just like the stocks, everything's new. Everybody wants it when it's new. Wait a while, everything will get back to normal. Don't panic.
Yeah, things will go to normal again. It's
Exactly.
all good.
Don't keep calm.
We can
Trump will not win.
We control your audio, we control your video. And we're plugging in the next unit now.
Super excited.
Super stoked, man. I love new stuff.
Just imagine it's
You
it's
guys
all-
have definitely got to get down to the Green Zone Hydroponics and check out all the goodies. I mean, we have, look at this, pallets and pallets and pallets coming in daily because, I mean, this place is just, we had to lock the doors to keep everybody else out.
Right?
It's
Except
like
for our man.
Christmas without the fat child molester in the red suit.
Oh,
Here we
look
go,
at
baby.
that.
Plug and play.
So what do we got here? It's a fan. The fan is on
Going
60%.
Yep.
Okay, so it's on thermostat mode. That
Feel that breeze?
It's on thermostat mode.
So we set it.
So you can set it and forget it, kind of like Ron Popeil used to say.
Look, it's like Titanic.
Got to figure out how to.
He's blowing in the wind.
Huh.
Dude, it's all about the zip. It's all about the
See,
zip.
you gotta get that lean.
He's chilling like a villain because he's willing and he's illin. I said, don't push him because
I'm
he's
the
close
king
to
of
the
the world.
edge.
So this also records your min max humidity points.
Oh,
That's nice
wow.
too.
Even has an
Bundles
alarm
in,
setting for itself, so it'll let you know when it's firing off.
So it's all built in. Now, what is the name of this product? So when people come in asking for it, because it looks like these are gonna go like off the shelf like hotcakes, wouldn't you say? What's the name of this?
So we have it right here. We have the AC Affinity section.
AC Affinity.
The AC Infinity Cloudline series.
AC
Cloudline
Affinity
series.
Cloudline series.
That's it, man.
Onboard processor enables temperature and humidity monitoring and control. Also features alarm warning, speed control, and a timer. Premium build. The motor houses dual ball bearings, rated at 67,000 hours, mountable in any direction. This unit is IP44 rated and has highly resistance to dust and liquids. High performance. Each unit features a high static pressure mixed flow design and a PWM DC motor. This technology ensures quiet and efficient performance. I mean,
It's all about
plug and play.
performance.
Complete kit includes computer, thermal probe, 2 duct clamps, user manual, all necessary mounting hardware, and an AC plug adapter. Now, for the people who are out there, once again, I told you for the layman terms. For the seasoned growers, we just explained a whole lot of goobly goo, which sounded like womp 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 to the kids that are at home growing in the closet. For the people who are growing in the closet, this is small. You don't have to have all the extra hardware. Everything's built in. You plug it in, mount it, and your exhaust is right. Humidity, dampness, that's humidity. Meaning, you know, that little humidifier that you stole from your baby mama that usually smells
Oh
like
man, we
Vicks.
got a song going here.
You don't
Listen
have to
to
put
it.
that now. You got all of that wrapped in one. You know what I mean? So you can throw that up on the side of your closet and throw your exhaust vent on it and just start getting right. But for cheaper than the price of buying 2 units because you only got to buy one. So, you know, money saved is money spent somewhere else. Holla.
One is better than two.
Yeah.
Wow, this is awesome, guys. Thanks
Loving
for
it.
sharing. And hey, everyone, stay tuned for more episodes of Growing in the City.
Holla.